Okay guys, today's date December 5th 2023. Just got some items I picked up from estate sales the last couple days. Right here we got a Craftsman 6-point SAE, goes 1/4 inch up to 11/16 wrench set. I said pick these up, never had them before. Craftsman Reflex, kind of like the RoboGrip, but it's adjustable wrenches. Nice set. Then we got a couple of Craftsman ignition wrench sets. The 4377, and this one here is looks like 4644. And I got this here 3-piece Craftsman set number 44664, adjustable wrench set with the pouch. Pouch is in pretty good shape. Speaking of RoboGrip, got a couple rigid RoboGrip pliers. And then I picked up this is a diamond and Thorsen, and of course the channel locks. And then along with it, I picked up this Blue Point pipe wrench. And that's pretty much everything I got there, guys. Altogether, paid about $110 for all this stuff. I think I got a pretty good deal. If you think I got a good deal, leave a message. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all have a great week.